Okay, good morning. Now we are going to see how to utilize the 1 acre land. In this presentation, we will learn the following things. How will you segregate the land? Plant 1, coconut trees with fish farm. Plant 2, coconut trees with different types of vegetables farm, cow farm and poultry. Okay, these two plants will make it for only for the 1 acre land. Okay, first plant 1. In this plan, we are mainly concentrate on coconut trees. On 1 acre land, we are segregating each plant distance with 25 meter. Okay, every 25 meters we are planting a coconut tree, and each coconut tree is having 25 meter feet. So for this one, we are utilizing long yielding plants. So there is a in the coconut tree there is a long yielding plant and short yielding plants. So now normally we are using that long yielding plants. This will be up to 100 years or 110 years it will come. So for this one, the main disadvantage is once if you are planted this one, it will take 6 to 7 years to come for a yield. So you have to wait for 6 to 7 years to getting the yield. Okay, that is a disadvantage. And then we are planted for 1 acre, total 60 coconut trees. Okay, so and then there is we are going to put on a farm, that is for the fish farm. Pond is there. In that pond we are growing the fishes, and in this pond we are making all the trees water. These waters will go here also. If excess water is there, it will go to the this pond. So it will making the water will not getting dried. So even though in the during rainy seasons, all the waters will go to the this pond. So it will make you always the water will be there in the pond, and then that area also will be greenery. Okay. The only disadvantage of this one is you have to wait for 6 to 7 years to get the yield, and then the meanwhile you can use it this pond for the fishing also. So fishing you can earn, but the thing is you will get the actual yield from this coconut trees. It will take 6 to 7 years. That is the only crop, but it will be a great plan for you every 25 meters. Because why we are giving 25 meters now? It will give you the proper fruits. Otherwise, if your distance is less and then there is no, you will not get a proper sunlight and all. It will take more time, or it will the yield will be less. So you will get a proper yielding. This is the proper ratio you can do. Okay, so in this also, even if we don't want to wait for 6 to 7 years, you want to get a 2.5 years, 1.5 year, 3.5 years like that. There is a different plants are there, but that the yield you will get from this only is 40 years short term. That is a 2.5 years. Within 2.5 years, you will get the yield start to yield, but it will be only for 40 years or 60 years only. That will not give you long like 100 years, 110 years like that. Okay, so that's why we have planted mainly for the 6 to 7 years. Okay, and then your land which is having the soil, based upon the soil we can change the variety of the this coconut trees. Okay, so plan 1 is clear. The plan 1 only the disadvantage is you will get the yield after 6 to 7 years. Meanwhile you are getting only from by the fish farm only. Okay, so the fish farm, what will happen? You are using that wastages only, wastages of the fish. We can feed the fish for by the wastages only, but we cannot get any wastages from the coconut tree to for the this fish. Okay, so plan 1 is clear. Now we will go for the plan 2. In this plan 2, so what we are going to do, we are doing lot of items included in this one. The main thing is coconut tree also is there, and then we are going to put this guava trees, that mango trees, and this banana trees, and this like turmeric tree, turmeric plants, and we are making cow farms, and we are making a poultry for the this one, and then for the number of variety of vegetables we can make it in one area. So we are segregating like 9 areas. One is the main thing is, even though same in the plan one also, that is a pond, here also pond is the fish pond. So these all the areas wherever the excess water is there, it will come to this pond, and then we can use for this fish wastages from the this poultry. We can use that utilize that wastage to the this ponds, and then this from the cow's waste also we can use as a manure for the all the vegetable areas and then other farms. Okay, and then we'll make one small farmhouse for somebody if you want to keep there, and then it will be very useful for us also to wait. We'll stay in that house, small house, and then board set also. Okay, so now here we are making 28 coconut trees. This also we are planning for 6 to 7 years to get a long yield. So 28 well, it is also the distance, same distance, 25 meters we are giving that each one for same distance. Okay, so from this one, the main advantage of this one is you will not wait for 6 to 7 years. Like in the first plan one, you are waiting for 6 to 7 years to get a yield, and to maintain the cost also you will put in your hand, from your hand. So but here you will get it from this itself, from your this crops itself. You can get a frequent earning. So from this frequent earning, you will easy for you to get into the farming land, to maintain the farming land. So it will be very useful. And then this wastages of that cow farms and then this poultry is we can utilize in this as a manure for this farms itself. Okay, but this is for 1 acre we are planning, but same thing you can make it in the 10 acres, 20 acres. It will be very, very good for you to get a very good yield. Okay, so these are the two plans. If you want to anything you want to include or anything if you want to improvise, just let me know, and we will improve to improve our channels. Please give your feedbacks, and thank you very much. This is our website. You can go inside and then see also. VSR Tech is our thing. Thank you, and subscribe our channel. If any comments to improve our channel, just give your comments. Thank you.